Oh, it's going to be another cold night. We are talking about temperatures again in the 20s. So if you're going to be heading out tonight, especially tomorrow morning, be sure and bundle up. Our newest storm tracker, Brianna Chavez, joins me. And Brianna, chills tonight for a lot of folks who are going to be outdoors.
Definitely. You're going to want to stay inside every chance you have tonight because it is going to be below freezing again. But earlier today, it was actually quite nice. The sun was out, no clouds in sight. We want to show you what it looked like around the area. If we can head over to how things were looking later or earlier today. But again, tonight it's going to be in the low 20s all across the borderland. Another warm day here in El Paso. 61 out in San Eli, 61 also for you folks out in Canantillo, 59 on the map for you folks out in Fort Bliss. And in Doña Ana County, it's going to be below freezing for you folks out as well. 20 degrees tonight in Mesilla is your expected low. But another warm day for you folks as well, 60 out in Anthony, 54, a little bit colder for you folks out in White Sands. With Doppler, I know we're going to be tracking those colder temperatures. Again, if you're going to be heading outside early into the early morning hours, you're going to want to bundle up for sure.
Exactly. And now look at tonight. I mean, here's what we're going to be talking about. 45 at 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock at 42. 11 o'clock, we'll dip into the 30s. We'll have a light wind out of the north. Thank goodness for light winds tonight, because if we had the winds crank up, certainly have to deal with some very cold wind chills. All right, here's our next weather maker. This front's going to be pushing through here by Friday. That's going to cause the winds to pick up, switch directions to the west-northwest, really, behind the front. And so you folks out on the east-northeast sides of town will get the brunt of the winds. We're anticipating those winds kind of in the moderate range, the windy category right here at 35 on your Friday. Then here's the weekend. Saturday, not bad. Sunday, maybe gusts to about 25 miles an hour. We can certainly handle that. As we jump ahead out to the next 8 to 14 days, which covers Christmas, we're going to be looking at dry conditions. The bulk of the drier air, the more confidence, going to be north of town, but we'll still be fairly dry and be talking about above average temperatures. And what we're looking at for Christmas Day right now, last year we were 60. I think a little bit cooler this time around as it looks right now at 55 degrees. Let's talk about the next several days. 60 tomorrow, 62 on Friday. Some increasing clouds late tomorrow into Friday. Saturday and Sunday look pretty good, although temperatures will stay in the 50s. Then we'll hit right around the low 60s by next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We'll have a look at sports.